These are bullet holes from the war.
Shrapnel.
Yeah. Still rebuilding from the remnants of the war. So the rebuilding still continues from the war, and they're just getting around to this building after 50 years, 60 years, 70 years. Walking around the castle on the Buda side of Hungary, you see the destruction from the war, and now the restoration is continuing to go on. It's amazing it took so long, but happy that they're getting to it. Guards that are on duty protecting the Parliament building in Budapest.
Well, it's absolutely gorgeous. The palace is beautiful. This walk over Budapest, is that the Pest side or is this the Buda side?
This is Buda, the other side's Pest.
Okay, great. Looking at Pest is absolutely awesome. Looking at the windy Danube is gorgeous. And we're about to enter the palace.
The palace. The Moab Palace and Galleria. Budapest, Hungary. Wonderful city. You must come. Every place you look, every direction, beautiful architecture, buildings, sculptures, just unimaginable. I never understood why they ruined the facade of a beautiful building in a museum with an advertising sign. It doesn't have to be that big. Just my opinion.
I think that these lines would be better suited for the end of the driveway. What do you think?
You got two of them.
I know.
One for each side.
You gotta have two. Perhaps, maybe these would be the better ones. That would be warning off any bad strangers that don't belong there. Representative of Leo the Lion, don't tick her off.
It just amazes me at the size of the buildings and the architecture and the money that was spent.
I mean, you stop and think about it. They were pretty smart. Because you get almost go to the church. Not the castle.
Good? Oh, yeah.
They have here.
Spectacular view from our hotel room, looking across the Danube River.
This is the central market, indoor market where people buy their meats and their vegetables. And for the tourists, there's paprika in every form, and nuts, and candy, and all the good things. Paprika comes in many forms, and it's made out of these peppers. there.
Good, huh? I am.
There you go.
Okay, there you go. Perfect. Very good. We first saw these in France. And now we finally get them, and here we are in Budapest. Beautiful, right? What an artistry.
Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.